Welcome, I am Emir and let's look back in hindsight. Yes, this is another video on Windows. And this is another Longhorn/Vista video. Microsoft really had a lot of things planned for Longhorn. A lot of flashy demos. Not Flash, but Dreamweaver. Concepts which were difficult, if not impossible, to code and implement. Fancy views, Carousel, Panorama or Phodeo, list view spy. Well, that one just gives coordinates. Yes, welcome to that part of the video I call Dug 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 dug. But if you close your eyes, eru. Gray clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. Dun, 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 dun. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? Gray clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. Dun, 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 dun. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? Great clouds roll over the hills, bring darkness from above. Dun, 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 dun. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? Implementation buggy as fuck. Not exactly living up to the vision. Though there's this comment which makes you think. Still, Longhorn development was reset. For reasons I will explain in a separate video. Still researching on that. And the views and vision never made it into Vista. Maybe because the views used .NET code, which was banned in Windows Core post-reset. Please, if you worked on Longhorn during this time, let me know if this is correct by commenting on the YT page of this video. But that didn't mean these fancy views are dead. Not yet anyway. On June 30, 2005, Paul Thurrott reported about Project M, quote, headed by Hillel Cooperman, the user experience guru who presented Longhorn's UI ideas, user interface ideas, to developers at the Microsoft Professional Developers Conference, PDC, in October 2003, unquote. According to Thurrott, Project M was described internally only as Windows, quote, shell enhancements, unquote. A mysteriously vague description. Turns out Project M is not even part of Vista. It's just an application allowing people to make slideshows. Cooperman demoed it, now called codename Max, during PDC 2005. At least it's not a flashy, again, Dreamweaver not Flash demo. It's actual software based on WinFX, .NET Framework 3.0 technology, which supports my belief that the fancy views in pre-reset builds were coded in .NET. Max used WPF, Windows Presentation Foundation, formerly known as Avalon, WCF, Windows Communication Foundation, formerly known as Indigo, the CLR, Common Language Runtime, and other Microsoft technology. One version of Max came out to the public. It only runs on XP Service Pack 2. It does not support any Vista post-reset build, not even on the PDC build 5219 distributed to attendees. Max only runs on 32-bit computers, not 64-bit. You have to install WinFX runtime components Core Redistributable Beta 2 first before installing Max. The version of Max still available to the public today allows you to create fancy slideshows like you see on screen. At what cost? Max is a resource hog. Combine that with WinFS Beta 1 and you stretch the computer, or in my case, the virtual machine, to its limits. Pushing to the limit. Speaking of WinFS, Max contains the Longhorn basket and list maker feature which I talked about in my video on Longhorn days. But the basket on Max is no longer powered by WinFS. You could see other people's lists and share your lists. But the .NET Passport service which Max relies on no longer works. Pretty simple stuff, right? But there's lost media about Max. Apparently, Microsoft sent an update to computers with the program already installed. This update added a newsreader with annotations. But no standalone installer was apparently released. I commented on a September 2006 video on YT which showed the updated version of Max. But of course I didn't get a reply. So if you still have that version of codename Max installed, congratulations! You have lost media. Max was just a code name. It never got a final name because Microsoft cancelled it in late 2006. So much for those shell enhancements, huh? What do you think of Microsoft codename Max? Let me know by commenting on the YT page of this video. Please like and share this video across social media. Subscribe and ring the bell. Check out my other videos on Windows. Support the show on PayPal, on Patreon, or on Brave Rewards on Brave Browser. Thank you to my sibling G-G Arts for my avatar. Check out and support her work by clicking the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. Normally the video would end here, but in case the runtime is not enough to show the software in action earlier, I'm going to play clips right now. Please stick around at the end for the end screen.